Hey there, thanks for stopping by the channel. My name is Sean and this is The Sean Show. Today I'll be tackling the question, what is LiveGood Company? With that said, let's dive in. This will be a pretty short video, but in a nutshell, LiveGood Company is a couple different things. First and foremost, it's a membership platform, really similar to Costco or Netflix or Amazon. You probably have at least one of those memberships. Well, this is, the LiveGood Company is actually a health and wellness company that offers all kinds of different health and wellness products that you can either pay retail for, or you can pay the $9.95 monthly membership fee, and you can get these at a wholesale price. They have a really amazing array of products, and they're constantly adding. In addition to just the membership platform, it's also an amazing business opportunity that you can get in on at the ground floor. They started just at the beginning of 2023 or the end of 2022, and there's already 350,000 members that have bought products as well as possibly joined the business. Best time to get started with a business like this is at the ground floor, which is now. We're expecting to have about 1 million people join before the end of the year. And in the next 2 to 3 years, there'll be 2 to 3, maybe even 4 million in this opportunity. Again, the best time to start a business like this is when it's at the ground floor. So go ahead, check the description down below and take a free tour, no obligation tour of the business, the opportunity, the products, etc. And if you like what you see, fantastic, you're free to join. And if you don't, that's fine too. Either way, I just want to wish you a good rest of your day. Again, contact info in the description below. And if you could, just drop a quick like and subscribe. Take care.